digital FPV for the price of analog. I don't think we saw that coming, and Caddx might be the guys to give it to us. G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and man, what an exciting time to be in FPV, right? Like digital FPV in 2025 is so good for us consumers because we have just seen the release of the DJI04 air units and the latest N3 goggles, like really stellar prices. Normally, like they've been hundreds of dollars in the past, and a lot of people said, what about the Walksnail system? What about Caddx? They can't possibly come back from that. But man, like, let me tell you, we can talk about it today. I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen. We've got 2 new Caddx VTXs that we're gonna be talking about, and I'm gonna show some emails as well with very exciting stuff. So if you ever wanted to get into digital FPV, you have never had a better time than right now in 2025. And you can see their 1S VTX, which people are flying around with at the moment. And also next to that, you can see an even smaller and a lighter VTX. Now that is their new VTX that they're going to be releasing in the future. We're also going to be talking about another VTX, like they've sort of got 2 lined up, but this one, it is coming in at around 5 grams or 5 or 6 grams. It's very, very light. We might be able to squeeze it onto a 1S board, which is not something that you can currently do with any other systems beside HD0. But the exciting part though, is that this VTX, and get this, I loved this when I read this, and I think I can put some parts of this email on the screen. It is aiming to be as affordable as an analog system. So the days when digital is super expensive might be coming to an end, and that I think is going to be their answer to the DJI04 air unit. The 04 air unit from DJI looks pretty cool, but imagine if you can get the Walksnail system at like a comparable price to what our analog VTXs are like. So that is a result of like those 2 companies warring over us as consumers. We are winning. It is very, very exciting. And then the next thing which I can talk about as well, I don't think there's been any leaks about this one, so I have to be careful, but there is a new VTX coming, which is going to be for the racers out there. So like a fixed latency racing VTX, a way to do that without getting the variable latency, which a lot of racing pilots don't like. And I could not be more excited. Like, I'm so stoked. We can't say too much at the moment, like, and it is still early days. And I want to give a warning out there too to say, look, I'm not saying that this is going to be the most amazing, incredible solution with no bugs off the bat or anything like that. Caddx, I think, makes some really good products. Like the Walksnail system is cool. However, they often just balls it up in terms of like their communication or their updates or something. So they need to get a little bit more work in that side. It's never as refined as like some of the DJI products, but it could never be better for us. Like, we are going to see these 2 companies going head to head to get us into their ecosystems, and that's going to mean lower prices, more innovations. No one's holding back any tech. It's just a super exciting time in FPV. Now, with all that excitement though, I do want to tamper it down and just say a couple of things that are still yet to be confirmed. I'm going to update you. Maybe I'll do another post. Maybe I've even got some responses in my inbox from them. However, I don't know if this means that is the next system or that is coming in for like a Walksnail Avatar V2 system or something. I know they've been talking about that behind the scenes for a little while. I don't know about compatibilities. I don't have the exact price on some of those as well, but I think the exciting part was affordable digital FPV comparable to analog. So yeah, just a very, very exciting time. Now finally, this one's really going out to you guys. If you would like to support the channel, and this is not a joke, I'm asking you, consider joining my Patreon. The link's down below. It helps me make these videos. I want to make the best stuff for you, and I want you to be able to have the most informed decision to get flying. We don't get sponsored by DJI. We don't get sponsored by Caddx. I don't have an allegiance to any of these companies. What I have an allegiance to is you. If you are coming into the hobby, what's going to get you the best flying experiences, the best bang for your buck, or maybe you want to get like the furthest and have the most high-end gear, I want to give you the right information so you can make that decision. We're not sponsored by Caddx. We're not sponsored by DJI. We don't even get sent. DJI doesn't even respond to my emails after I gave them some criticism a couple of years ago. But with your support, we can still make those videos. So do it right now. Go sign up. That link's down below.